This is continuation from patient page, part 6. Let's go to investigations. This section is for individual investigations, IIX. X are investigations that can be broken down into specific parameters that can be monitored and charted. This section is for the group investigations, GIX, also known as packaged investigations. These are usually packages sent to external labs. Do not use GIX to save investigations like QPT, ECG or FBC done in clinic. As GIX does not record results, the results should be saved as X with zero cost so that the results can be recorded and monitored. For example, if GIX A001 contains LFT, the LFT should be saved as X with zero cost. This will enable recording and monitoring of the LFT components, e.g. bilirubin, ALT. This is for external document upload and management, same as in history/examination. If uploading files for ECG or for any investigation saved under the XOthers, do not upload here, upload from XOthers. This is the number of the X saved in this visit. In this example, 1 FBC is saved in this visit. Clicking the radio button and the X title have different effects. Clicking the title will list all of that X for the year. While clicking this radio button will show the X with the parameters. Let's click the radio button for FBC. X results are saved here. For manual entry of results, enter the values here. For linked FBC machines, leave them empty as they will be autofilled from the machine. Change the date and time if necessary. Tick capillary if the blood sample is capillary sample. For venous sample, untick this. Enter remarks if any. The price is auto-loaded based on the settings under default 9 prices. This default price can be changed if required. Click this icon to save the X. Once saved, the sample ID is displayed here. This sample ID is required to be entered in the FBC machine. The patient's name and ID will be autofilled in the FBC machine based on this sample ID, and the results are sent back based on sample ID as well. The number of this X is saved will be shown here. In this example there is 1 FBC saved. For linked FBC machines, these values will be filled up automatically once the results are available from the machine. If there are more than 1 X of the same type, click Add to add the next one. In this example, we are adding the second FBC. Repeat the steps to add X. And click this icon to save this second X. The 2 X's are listed here. Click on the numbers to go to the particular X. Clicking Del will delete the X. Make sure the correct X is selected before deleting. Clicking the parameter title will chart the parameter. This is the hemoglobin, HB, chart. Clicking the X title will list all of that X for the year. Note that X viewed via this list cannot be edited or deleted. This is the list of all FBCs performed for this patient, grouped by year, with the number of X in the year displayed next to the year. To list the X's for a particular year, click the year. Clicking on this X will show the details. CXR, USG and X-ray have reporting templates. Let's see that for CXR. Clicking A will show the list of available reporting templates. This list is maintained under Imaging Templates in the Reports page. Click the template to load. Along with the reporting template and remark, the default price will be filled up as well. This reporting template can be edited further. Specify the view, position and date for this X. And click this icon to save. When X-ray or CXR is saved, the X-ray number will be shown here. For linked X-ray system, clicking PACS will fetch available images from the X-ray system. Usually this is not necessary as the images will be automatically sent to Intelsys from the machine. Clicking Files will show the image files for this X-ray as fetched from the linked X-ray system. The number in the brackets indicates the number of image files available. No image files are available currently. Click Label to print patient identification label that can be used to identify the films. The imaging report can be printed by clicking this print icon. This is the number of the 6 currently saved in this visit. For linked X-ray systems, once the image file is available, it can be sent to external radiologist for reporting. Prepaid credit is required for reporting service. If there is no image file available, no DICOM file is shown and external radiologist reporting is not possible. When image files have been fetched from the X-ray system, the number of image files will be shown like this. Click to list the image files. This is the image file retrieved from the X-ray system. Click this file to launch the built-in DICOM viewer. DICOM is a universal protocol to view and manipulate medical images. The image will be shown the DICOM viewer on a new tab/window. Click Zoom/Pan to enable zooming and panning of the image by mouse movements. Click Reset to reset the image to the original position and zoom level. Click Window/Levels to change the image brightness and contrast by mouse movements. Click Magnifying Glass to magnify selected areas by mouse movements. The magnified area. Click Length to enable measurements. Measurements can be done on the image. The image can be downloaded as plain image file by clicking Download as Image. Clicking Save will save the image with the current settings, including the measurements. When image is available, tick Send for reporting to send the image to external radiologist for reporting. Available radiologists will be listed here. Select the radiologist and click Send. Once the reporting is done by the external radiologist, it will be displayed here. A notification will also be shown for all users that have accessed this visit. Click on PDF to view the report. The radiologist report will also be added on in Remark, preceded by hash. Let's see ultrasound, USG. The reporting template is also available for USG via A. Click the reporting template to load the template. These templates are managed in the imaging templates in the reports page. The template will be inserted here, along with the default prices saved under imaging templates. Change the date and time and cost if necessary. Click this icon to save this USG. Ultrasound machines can also be linked to Intelsys via DICOM. Once the USG is saved, this patient details will be available in the ultrasound machine and there is no need to re-enter patient details on the machine. Clicking PACS will retrieve the ultrasound images in structured report, SR, from the machine, when available. Usually this is not necessary as the images and SR will be automatically sent to Intelsys from the machine. Click Files to list the files retrieved from the ultrasound machine. The number in the brackets indicates the number of files available. In this example, there are 2 image files retrieved from the ultrasound machine. Click the image to view the image in the DICOM viewer. USG images will be shown just like the X-ray images. If structured report is available from the ultrasound machine, this SR button will be displayed. Click to view the structured report. These are the details in the structured report from the ultrasound machine. Click Extract a remark to pull out important details from this structured report into the remarks section. Let's see X-ray. The reporting template is also available for X-rays via A. Click the reporting template to load the template. These templates are managed in the Imaging Templates in the Reports page. The rest of the steps to add X-ray is the same as CXR. ECG, UPT, FR, spirometry and other investigations are managed under Others. Do not enter ECG, UPT or any individual investigations under Group 9. Group 9 is strictly for investigation packages from external labs. The others can be selected from this list or manually typed in. For the items listed here, select from this list and do not type in manually. This list is managed via default 9 prices and kits. When selected from the list, the price is automatically filled up, as specified under default 9 prices or kits. This price can be changed if required. For investigations that have positive, negative and undetermined as the possible result, click Result repetitively till the required value appears. For example, positive result will be shown like this. The date and time will be automatically filled with the current date and time. Change this time if necessary. Click this icon to save. Number of saved X will be shown here. ECG must be saved under Others. To add, select ECG from this list. Change the date and time and cost if necessary. Specify the ECG result/conclusion under Remark. And click this icon to save. For X under Others, ECG in this example, the result or image files can be uploaded. Do not upload via the Documents box but click this Upload File here. This appears the same as the usual document upload box, however for Others document upload, this ECG checkbox is available. Enter the description for this file. If Intel SysAssist app is used, select the image sent from the mobile device in the media pool. Otherwise select the file from the local computer. And click Upload to save this file. The file for ECG is now saved. Private indicates that this file will not be available for the patient in the patient portal. To change this to public, click Private. Public indicates that this file will be available for the patient in the patient portal. To change to private, click Public. The description can be changed if necessary, and the changes are auto-saved. This file can be deleted by clicking this delete icon. When file/document is uploaded under Others, the number of files will be indicated here. When uploading files for any investigations under Others, do not upload here. Upload from the investigations themselves via Upload Files so that the number of files for that particular investigation can be known. When PFR is selected, the predicted values can be auto-calculated. When values are entered, the predicted value based on the patient's height will be shown here. The percentage of the predicted value. The predicted values are available for spirometry/lung function test as well. When values are entered, the predicted values based on the patient's height will be shown here. The percentages of the predicted values. Initial conclusion will be shown here, and the doctor has to verify this conclusion. Inventory items saved as kits will be shown here. Refer kits for more information. For any investigations that has positive, negative or undetermined as the possible results, click Result repetitively till the required value shows. Click this Save icon to save. For inventory items saved as kits, the stock will be automatically reduced by 1 upon saving. The number of investigations saved under Others will be indicated here. To add more, click Add. Audiometry results can be recorded under Others. Select Audiometry from the list here. Specify the type of audiometry here, Note that only one baseline per patient is possible. If more than one baseline is specified, only the latest audiogram will be considered as baseline. Enter the frequency responses here. The 1500 Hz frequency is optional and is disabled by default. To enable, click 1500. Fill in the relevant details. The patient's company, work unit and job titles can be specified here. Company, work unit and job titles are the same as in more details. If these details are already saved here, they will be available in the audiometry information, and if added/changed in the audiometry details, they will be changed here as well. Click the Save icon to save. Note that the audiometry chart can only be displayed once audiometry is saved. To show the audiometry chart, click Graph. This is the audiogram and details. These are the related information. This audiogram and related info can be printed by clicking this print icon. Clicking All will list all X done, grouped by year. The list will be grouped by year, with the number of X's shown next to the years. To list for a particular year, click on the year. All the X for the specified year will be listed here. To see the details, click the X. Note that X viewed via this list cannot be edited or deleted. For group investigations, GIX, they can be searched and selected here. Refer add/remove group 9 to manage this list. The default prices saved in add/remove group 9 will be loaded. This price can be changed if necessary. Remarks can be entered if required. If a lab is selected here, only GIXs from the selected lab will be listed when searched. If the GIX is not available in the master list, the GIX can be manually specified here. And specify the price of the GIX. For GIX that is not in the master list, it can be suggested to be added into the master list so that it can be searched and selected in the future. To suggest, click this gray box. The clinic admin will be able to process this and add/remove group 9. To remove any GIX, double-click on this field. Hovering the mouse here will show details of this GIX. To be continued in Patient Page, Part 8.